Hello, this video is about gathering map information for a property in Park County, Colorado. We start out at the Park County, Colorado Assessor's Office website and we click on Park County Maps. This brings us to the Park County web-based GIS viewer. I'm going to close that. I'm going to click on Search. And I'm going to select schedule because we're going to search on the property schedule number. I already have that schedule number copied. Oops, guess I was wrong. I'll go to Podio and copy the property schedule number where I have it stored. We'll go back to Park County. There, okay. There's the schedule number. Search. Okay, schedule number pops up here. I need to click on this number here where it pops up to go to the property map. And there's my property outlined in red. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Now, at this stage, I can go ahead and take a screen grab of the parcel, including nearby roads. A little bit, I'll get that road name in there. And I will have that as my map of the parcel, which I'll upload into the Add Materials folder on Dropbox. And the next thing I will do is measure the property acreage. We always want to do this to check the property acreage against what is stated in the assessor's record for the property. Whoops. There we go. There we go. Okay. Oops. Double click there. There. So it shows me that's 4.8 acres. Very good. I will note that in the appropriate Podio app. The next thing I want to do while I'm here is get GPS coordinates for the property. And the way I get those is I click on that little button, and it's also under the measurement widget, which we just used to measure the acreage. Click on that button, and first I'll put a flag in the center of the parcel, and now here I have the GPS coordinates for the property center, which I like to have just to give someone a general idea of where the property is. So now I'm going to cut and paste both of these numbers, latitude, longitude, and paste those into the appropriate space in the Podio app. And I'm going to then gather the coordinates for each of the property corners. There, okay. And I'm going to copy and paste those latitude, longitude coordinates. I'm going to get the next corner, copy and paste those latitude, longitude coordinates, and so on around the corner, around the property. And I want to be sure when I'm recording these coordinates in Podio to note that this is the northwest corner, this coordinate is this northeast corner, and so on around the property. Now, the next thing I'm going to do when I'm here is I want to get the contact information for the property neighbors. So I'll start by simply clicking. First, I'm going to close that measurement widget, and I'll simply click on the neighboring parcel. And that should bring up, yes it does, it brings up the contact information for that parcel owner. So I will copy all that and I will paste it into a Word document that we create specifically for neighbor address information. And when I paste this record into that Word document, I will be sure to note that this is the property that sits immediately east of my property. I'll click on that neighbor. I'll copy and paste this information, and I will note that this contact is for the property that sits north of my property, and so on around my property. Just be sure to get the properties that directly adjoin my property. This one, this one, this one, and perhaps this one. So that's the information that you will gather regarding the property maps, when you go to the county web-based GIS viewer, you will screen grab a map of the property, you will measure the acreage of the property, you will get the GPS coordinates for the property center and the property corners, and you will get contact information for the neighbors. Thank you very much.